Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about a new chapter, 4 operations together. In this chapter we are going to learn about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we are going to learn about the steps to add two numbers. The first step is arrange the numbers one below the other according to their place values in the place value chart. Now we have to arrange the numbers with the place value chart. Next step is now add the numbers starting from one place followed by tens, hundreds and so on. We have to add only from ones place and move to tens, hundreds and thousands place. These are the two steps to add numbers. Next we are going to learn about steps to subtract numbers. Step 1 is write the minuend and subtrahend one below the other in place value chart. Minuend is the number from which another number is subtracted. That is, while we are subtracting, the first number will be the minuend. That is, the largest number will be the minuend. Subtrahend is the number that is subtracted from the minuend. From minuend, we are going to subtract a number. That number is called as subtrahend. Subtrahend is the smallest number in the subtraction. The second step is subtract the numbers starting from the digits in the ones place followed by those in tens place, hundreds place and so on. While subtracting, you must start from ones place and move to tens, hundreds and thousands place. Now copy down these in your max note. We are going to solve exercise 2.1 problem. The first problem is we are going to add two numbers. So first write the number with the place value, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakhs. Now write the second number starting from the right. So 3, 5, 9, 5, 7, 4. Now we are going to add these two numbers. 3 plus 2 will be 5. 8 plus 5. Count 5 after 8. That is 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So write 3 here and carry 1 to hundreds place. 9 plus 1 will be 10. After 10 count 9. That is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Carry 1 to thousands place. 7 plus 1 will be 8. After 8 count 5. That is 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Carry 1 to 10,000s place. 8 plus 1 will be 9. After 9 count 7. That is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Carry 1 to lakhs place. 5 plus 1 will be 6. After 6 count 4. That will be 7, 8, 9 and 10. Write 0 here and carry 1 to 10 lakhs place. 3 plus 1 will be 4. So the answer is 40 lakhs 63,935. Now we are going to add these three numbers. So write the number with the place value first. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. For the second number, you have to start writing from the right. So, you have to start writing from 7, 4, 2, 9, 8, 0, 1. For the third number, you have to start writing from the rightmost number. That is 7, 7, 5, 2, 1. Add these three numbers. After 9, count 7. That will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. After 16, count 7. That will be 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. Write 3 here and carry 2 to tens place. So 2 plus 4 will be 6. After 6 count 7. That will be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Carry 1 to hundreds place. 8 plus 1 will be 9. After 9 count 2. That will be 10 and 11. After 11 count 5. That will be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Carry 1 to thousands place. 5 plus 1 will be 6. After 6 count 9. That will be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. After 15 count 2. That will be 16 and 17. So write 7 and carry 1 to 10,000s place. 4 plus 1 will be 5. After 5 count 8. That will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. After 13 count 1. It will be 14. So write 4 here and carry 1 to lakhs place. 3 plus 1 will be 4. 2 plus 1 will be 3. Here there is no number. So write 6 as it is. So the answer is 6 crore 34 lakhs 47,633. We are going to do B and D as assignments. Second is we have to subtract these two numbers. Write the first number. Write the number with the place value. That is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Next we are going to write the second number. While writing the second number, you have to start from the rightmost number. That is 2, 9, 6, 8, 4, 2, 6, 4, 1. We are going to subtract these two numbers. 6 minus 2. Take 6 in your fingers and reduce 2. The number will be 4. Now we have to subtract 9 from 2. We cannot subtract as 2 is smaller than 9. We are going to borrow from hundreds place. So change it as 8. And we are going to give 1 to tens place. So 2 will be changed as 12. Now after 9 count until you reach 12. So it will be 10, 11 and 12. So the number is 3. Now count after 7 until you reach 8. So it will be 7 and 8. So the answer will be 2. Now we have to subtract 8 from 4. We cannot subtract as 4 is smaller. You have to borrow 1 from 8. So 8 will become as 7 and 4 will become as 14. Now 14 minus 8. After 8 count until you reach 14. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So the answer is 6. Now we have to subtract 4 from 7. So start counting from 4 until you reach 7. So it will be 5, 6 and 7. So the answer will be 3. We have to subtract 5 from 2. Start counting from 2 until you reach 5. So 3, 4 and 5. So the answer is 3. Now start counting from 7 until you reach. Start counting from 6 until you reach 7. That is 6, 7. We have 1. 7 minus 4. Start counting from 4 until you reach 7. So it will be 5, 6 and 7. So the answer will be 3. We know that 2 minus 1 will be 1. So the answer is 13 crore 13 lakhs 36,234. Now the next problem, write the number with the place value. ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now the next number you have to start from the right. So 8, 0, 5, 4, 3, 9 and 1. Subtract the numbers. See here you have to subtract 8 from 3. 3 is smaller than 8. We cannot subtract. So you have to borrow from the before number. The before number here is 0. So move to the before number. The before number here also 0. So move to the before number. Here also the number is 0. So move to the before number. We are going to borrow 1 from 2. So 2 will be changed as 1 and 0 will be changed as 10. Now borrow 1 from 10. So 10 will be changed as 9 and 0 will be changed as 10. Again borrow 1 from 10. So 10 will be changed as 9 and 0 will be changed as 10. Again borrow 1 from 10. So 9. Here we have 13. After 8 count until you reach 13. So 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So the answer is 5. 9 minus 0 will be 9. Next, start counting from 5 until you reach 9. It will be 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the answer is 4. Now start counting from 4 until you reach 9. It will be 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the answer is 5. We cannot subtract 3 from 1. So borrow 1 from the before number. The before number here is 8. So it will become as 7 and 1 will become as 11. Now start counting from 3 until you reach 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So the answer is 8. We cannot subtract 9 from 7 as 7 is smaller than 9. So borrow 1 from the before number. So 3 will be changed as 2 and 7 will be changed as 17. Now start counting from 9 until you reach 17. So it will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So the answer is 8. 2 minus 1 will be 1. Here we don't have any number. So write 5 as it is and write the number in the standard form. So the answer is 5 crore 18 lakhs 85,495. Now B and D will be assignments for you. Third problem. Now number 1 is given, number 2 is given. We are going to find number 1 plus number 2. Number 1 equal to 2 crore 34 lakhs 56,908. Number 2 is 45 lakhs 67,123. Now we are going to find number 1 plus number 2. We don't know what will be number 1 plus number 2. So I have put in question mark. So now we are going to add number 1 and number 2. So write the first number with the place value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now write the second number starting from the right. So 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now we are going to add these two numbers. After 8, count 3. That will be 9, 10 and 11. So write 1 in the 1's place and carry 1 to 10's place. 1 plus 0 will be 1. 1 plus 2 will be 3. Next, 9 plus 1 will be 10. Carry 1 to 1000's place. 6 plus 1 will be 7. After 7, count 7. That will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Write 4 here and carry 1 to 10,000's place. 5 plus 1 will be 6. After 6, count 6. That will be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Carry 1 to lakhs place. 4 plus 1 will be 5. After 5, count 5. That will be 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Write 0 here and carry 1 to 10 lakhs place. 3 plus 1 will be 4. After 4, count 4. That will be 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Here we don't have any number. So write 2 as it is. Now write the number of the standard form. The number is 2 crore 80 lakhs 24,031. Now we are going to do the second one. Here number 1 is given. Number 2 is not given. Number 1 plus number 2, that is answer is given. See here, you have to add number 2 to number 1 to get this number. So, to find the number 2, you have to subtract number 1 from this number. Number 1 is 7 crore 89 lakhs 90,012. To find the number 2, you have to subtract number 1 from the answer. Write the number of the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Now write the second number. To write the second number, you have to start from the right. So 2, 1, 0, 0, 9, 9, 8 and 7. We are going to subtract these two numbers. After 2, count until you reach 4. That will be 3 and 4. So the answer is 2. After 1, count until you reach 3. So it will be 2 and 3. So the number is 2. 2 minus 0 will be 2. 6 minus 0 will be 6. See here, 5 is smaller and 9 is larger. We cannot subtract 9 from 5. So, borrow 1 from the before number. The before number here is 0. So, move to the before number. The before number here also 0. So, move to the before number. So, change 9 as 8. And 0 will be changed as 10. Now, we are going to borrow 1 from 10. So, 10 will become as 9 and 0 will become as 10. Again borrow 1 from 10. So 10 will become as 9 and 5 will become as 15. Now count from 9 until you reach 15. That is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So the answer is 6. 9 minus 9 will be 0. 9 minus 8 will be 1. 8 minus 7 will be 1. Write the numbers in the standard form. Now the answer is 1 crore 10 lakh 66,222. Now we are going to do third one as assignment. Now number 1 is not given, number 2 and number 1 plus number 2 is given. To find number 1, you have to subtract number 1 plus number 2. That is, you have to subtract 3,45,000. That is, you have to subtract 3,45,12,231 from 8,89,76,402. You have to write this number first and the second number will be this. You have to subtract these two numbers. You have to write this number first and put minus, and you have to write this number second and subtract these two numbers to get number 1. Fourth sum is, what should be added to 5,32,45,891 to get 5,89,44,602. From this you can see that a number is added to 5,32,45,891 to get 5,89,44,603. So you have to find number 2. Number 1 is 5,32,45,891. Now number 1 plus number 2 is given. Five crore 89,44,603. Now we are going to find number 2. To find number 2, you have to subtract this number from the first number. That is, we have to subtract for number 1 from the number 1 plus number 2. That is, we are going to subtract these two numbers to get number 2. So write the greatest number first. This will be the greatest number. Number 1 is write the place value: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Have to subtract these two numbers to find number 2. After 1, start counting until you reach 3. It will be 2 and 3. So the answer is 2. We cannot subtract 9 from 0. So borrow 1 from 6. So 6 will become 5 and 0 will become as 10. So 10 minus 9 will be 1. See here, 5 is smaller while comparing with 8. So we cannot subtract. So borrow 4 from 4. That is, 4 will be changed as 3 and 5 will become as 15. Start counting after 8 until you reach 15. So it will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 7. Now we cannot subtract 5 from 3. So borrow 1 from 4. So 4 will be changed as 3 and 3 will be changed as 13. Now start counting from 5 until you reach 13. That will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So the number is 8. We cannot subtract 4 from 3. So borrow 1 from 9. So 8, it will be changed as 8 and 3 will be changed as 13. 13 minus 4. Start counting from 4 until you reach 13. So it will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So the number is 9. Now start counting from 2 until you reach 8. It will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will be 6. Start counting from 3 until you reach 8. That will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number is 5. 5 minus 5 will be 0. So Number 2 is 56,98,712. You no need to put 0 here because no number starts with 0. We have find number 2. This will be the answer. Thank you, students.